Tonight we're going to show you guys how I make my mink boxes. It's a little different than most other ones I've seen. I cut one strip at 7 1/4 by 21 and 3 strips at 7 1/4 by 21, and then those are just 7 1/4 by 7 5/8 for 2 end caps. This will work with either your foot traps or your conibears, and we'll put you over here. We'll show you how I do it. Okay, first off, you got to take your box or your end piece, and I just got this. It's a little hole. Like that. Put it on there. Draw you a little hole. So you got a template. If you have a hole saw, you can use that. I don't have one. I've got my cutoff tool. Alright, see? Nothing pretty, just kind of quick and dirty. But, set that aside. You take your top and one of your pieces, one of your 17s, and just flush up the back corner like that. Grab your drill with the drill bit, go in about from the end over 1.5 inches or so. Just pre-drill you a hole. Take a screw. Like that. Take your next piece, set it on top. Flush up the back. Same thing. Get it 1.5 inches in. Dig a hole. Just like that. Okay. Then go pre-drill you. You can do 4 if you want. I usually just do 3 across the side there, across each side. Same thing. Just put the screws in. Just go and do that on all the sides. Okay, so there, now you've got a nice box. It'll fit your conibears in there, conibear 110. It'll fit your foot traps. This is a number 1, Bridger number 1. That's a 126. So see, that'll fit that in there. Next thing you want to do is to take your front. We'll do the front, it's a little easier. And it's just going to go on like that. Sorry, I'm not sure where I lost it. It kind of, phone died there on me. But anyway, so you put the front on, just 4 screws. You put the hole closer to the top so they have to crawl up and in it. For my back, all I do, I put 1 screw in the corner, and then I put 1 screw down there for it to sit on. That'll keep it kind of snugged and close. Oh, hey Henry, how you doing, huh? Photobombing us? Huh? Okay, come on. Yeah, come on. But anyways, then you can open it up like that. You can reach in. Got my trap in there already. You can have your trap, sit it right up in front, throw your bait right here, and you're good to go. Hope that helps you guys.